Meaning of heterogeneous.
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 Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous refers to a group or mixture of different types or components. In other words, it implies diversity or variety within a particular setting or system. This term is commonly used in fields like computer science, chemistry, and biology to describe a range of dissimilar elements or materials that are interconnected in some way. For instance, a heterogeneous computing system may consist of various devices with varying processing abilities that work together to complete tasks efficiently. Overall, heterogeneous suggests a lack of uniformity or homogeneity, instead highlighting the presence of differences or variations.